Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to delve deep into the topic of finding balance and nurturing your mind, body, and soul. Life can be a whirlwind of responsibilities and demands, but it's crucial to prioritize self-care and well-being. So, join me on this transformative journey as we explore practical strategies to achieve harmony in all aspects of our lives. Nurturing your mind. Our minds are powerful instruments that influence our thoughts, emotions, and overall well-being. To nurture your mind, start by incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine. Set aside a few minutes each day to engage in meditation, deep breathing exercises, or guided visualizations. These techniques will help calm the mind, increase self-awareness, and reduce stress levels. Additionally, consider journaling as a means of self-expression and reflection. Write down your thoughts, dreams, and aspirations. Use this time to gain clarity, set meaningful goals, and track your progress. Reading inspiring books, listening to motivational podcasts, or engaging in intellectual conversations are also fantastic ways to stimulate your mind and expand your knowledge. Caring for your body. Our bodies are intricate systems that require proper care and nourishment to function optimally. When it comes to physical well-being, pay attention to your diet and make conscious choices to fuel your body with nutritious foods. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals. Hydration is also key, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. Exercise is another vital aspect of caring for your body. Find a form of physical activity that you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing, yoga, running, or strength training. Aim for a combination of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises to promote overall fitness and vitality. Prioritize regular sleep to allow your body to rest, rejuvenate, and recharge for the next day. Nourishing your soul. Nurturing your soul involves connecting with your inner self, finding activities that bring you joy, and cultivating a sense of purpose. Take time to engage in activities that ignite your passion and spark your creativity. It could be painting, playing a musical instrument, writing poetry, or gardening. These activities allow you to tap into your unique talents and express yourself authentically. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals who support your personal growth journey. Cultivate meaningful relationships with friends and family members who uplift and inspire you. Engage in acts of kindness and contribute to your community. Giving back not only nourishes your soul, but also creates a ripple effect of positivity in the world. Striking a balance. Striking a balance in life is an ongoing process that requires self-awareness and conscious decision-making. Start by assessing your current commitments and responsibilities. Identify areas where you may be overextending yourself or neglecting your own needs. Practice setting boundaries and learn to say no when necessary to preserve your energy and well-being. Remember, balance is not about perfection, but rather about making intentional choices that align with your values and priorities. And there you have it. We have explored the incredible journey of finding balance and nurturing your mind, body, and soul. By incorporating mindfulness practices, caring for your physical health, nourishing your soul, and striking a balance in life, you will experience greater peace, joy, and fulfillment.